Black cockies, yeah, it's unusual to see. Go
boy. Woo.
Log in the middle.
Nice.
We'll just keep it in second, I reckon.
Yep.
Yeah, see, at least now I can lock.
You can control a lock. Hit a rock and went boink. Just gotta catch my breath.
And get on. You know who you sound like? Mangro Merv. Hey boys, come in the mangroves. Bang it, go, give it shit.
Oh, butterflies.
It's a nice little track. I find myself looking at those rocks like, eyes up man, eyes up.
Because you know the shit's coming.
Look where you want to go. Like, I don't need to look there. Look at them.
Potholes on the inside.
Eyes up, Simon, eyes up.
Shit, none.
I followed you into that. Jesus Christ. Hoppers. Anticlimax? Anticlimax is the word.
Happy being out, mate. Another wombat.
2 dead wombats right here, like around the corner. Stay on the main now.
On the left.
Yeah, cheers.
Oh, there you go. Sure you want me to go first?
Yeah, hit it. It's not dusty. Probably enough on the pegs job. It does go left, doesn't it? Yeah. So that's the other road where I want to go. Oh, I'm going straight here, Dan. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Me sideways. I'm like, oh shit, that's going right hard. At least I was able to lock the rear up then.
Yeah.
Take 2. I did. I just turned the camera on. What not to do? Oh, tree down now.
I like the smell, but I don't like front stand. I get to drive G-Wagon.
312 k's give or take by the time we'll be home. It's fun having a ride with Dan, not on your own. Fairly long ride now. Hill climb that we do at the end of every ride. So we'll see if we can get up this hill now with what we've got. So up on the pegs, lean into it, give it some gas, first gear. With not much grip. Point where we want to go and get up there. Oh, yeah, she's got some slippery as now, that tyre. Like and subscribe.